thank both our experts, Shilpa and Jatin, for joining us and taking us through their views on the markets, giving us a handful of ideas, as well as solving two of our viewer queries. But with that, we shift focus to the commodity space. And for that, we have Tejas Anil Shigrikar of Angel One, who joins us on the show. Tejas, good morning. Thanks for taking the time out. Your view on gold specifically, how are you trading gold now?
Good morning, Amma. Thank you for having me on your show. As particularly last interview also as mentioned, there is a massive upside is still pending. But when we see the upside is keep going on, the technical parameters are giving the some other selling signal. It's overall the overbought situations. All the overall conditions we've seen when the technical parameters are not supporting towards this rally. Somewhere we are seeing the profit booking scenarios are also there, and even the data was lined up from the US are showing that some of the premiums could be takeover from the traders. So we see the gold and silver both are going for the selling side. So we are recommending the sell call for the gold at 78,400 mark. Particularly, we can see the selling pressure could come in an evening session with the probably the other evening datas. Even we see keeping the stop loss of 78,610, targeting for the 77,800 and below that mark, 77,000.
Okay, and what about silver, Tejas? That's the other one which seems to have been, well, strong off late, but not so in today's day of trade.
So when we see the massive outcome is coming, the data are supporting as well as some of the parameters are not so cumulatively giving the support towards this rally. So we looking forward the traders should take profit from this rally. So 96,800 mark could be going for the selling, 97,600 it is keeping a stop loss, targeting from 95,400 and below that levels.
All right. And what about crude, Tejas? What are you doing with crude now?
Crude seems the profit will keep coming from the 7,000 marks. This is a major resistance we could see. So we are giving the sell call at 5990. People can go for the selling side, keeping a stop loss of 6070, targeting from 530 and 5800.
All right. And anything in terms of base metals at the moment that you're tracking, Tejas?
Yes, base metal are pretty massively went up from the lower level, and now is again reaching towards that low barrier. So we are giving the sell call in a copper, so keeping a stop loss of 800 marks. So 799 is the proper SL we can say, and the round figure will be the 800 mark, targeting from 787 to 785 levels.
Okay, we'll leave it at that there. Thank you so much, Tejas, for joining us and taking us through your calls on these various commodities. Where on that note, we're out of time on this edition of the FNO Show. Osman lined up on the other side. Keep watching NDTV Profit.